Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm at the Sweet Kaju restaurant having my breakfast today. After my breakfast, I'll be going to convention hall to see what kind of team building activity is happening today. This was quite interesting team building activity. In this activity, team were divided into 4 and each one was chasing to come first in the race.
In the box because people can grip on it. Make sure the ball, all the hard objects, ball, domino, and the marbles in the box. We have 3 minutes. Let's take this as a challenge. And
post lunch, we had drum show, a most interesting and one of the best team building activity I can say.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I had a great time with this drum show. I really enjoyed it. Evening was rocking with Madhur Sharma and band.
इसके बाद एक अलग स्थिति होती है
What a great performance by Madhur Sharma and band. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, this is Ritesh Singh signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.